Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I have a really quick, or I'll be as quick as I can, Causebox winter spoiler. I just finished taping my FabFitFun that I'm gonna put up tomorrow, but I just went downstairs and saw that we have new Causebox spoilers, so I wanted to come up and get them done for you as soon as possible. So let me make this quick so you can get back to your Thanksgiving. In case you are new to Causebox, Causebox is a seasonal exclusive, ethically minded lifestyle box. They work with companies who employ people who perhaps wouldn't have jobs, or they do great things for the environment, or the products that they produce somehow help the environment by reducing plastic or some other kind of use. It's basically lifestyle with a conscience. We generally get 6 to 8, and I think this one is 6 lifestyle products, and this box will have $275 or more in products in it. It is $54.95 per season if you pay seasonally. If you pay annually all at once, it brings it down to $49.95. I will put my link below. If you have any interest, you can go over and check it out. You'll save $10 off your first box. Okay, we have a new spoiler. This is customization 2, and you only get customization with Causebox if you're an annual. So if you're a seasonal, one of these products will be chosen for you. I'm going to give you the second customization spoiler real quickly, and then I will just zippity-doo-dah in case you missed the first customization spoiler right through those. The second spoiler is, it's a choice between a bamboo pillowcase from Attitude or cozy socks from Maggie's Organics. The Soft as Silk pillowcase from Attitude is a bamboo-based travel beauty pillowcase. It just might feel more silky than silk itself, and made from their signature clean bamboo fabric. Minimal, sophisticated, and intentionally designed, Attitude elevates sustainable living with a dash of luxury. They use a closed loop system that reuses 98% of the water in future production cycles. So that's pretty awesome. It says in the description that it is a travel beauty case. But if you look at the picture, it looks perfectly normal sized. And this says standard sized. So I think it's just because it comes with a little pouch, and like if you're going to a hotel room or something like that, you could take your pillowcase bye-byes with you. It says the retail value is $25. Okay, let me tell you what I know about the Attitude bamboo pillowcase. They were in the FabFitFun add-on sale, and when I did my video I talked about them, and so many of you who had tried the Attitude, actually everybody had positive things to say, said they are amazing. You have got to try them. So I purchased a set of 2 pillowcases from the add-on sale that are full-size standard pillowcases. The 2-pack was $21. Okay, granted, it was in the FabFitFun add-on sale, so it was on sale, but I got 2 for $21 versus 1 for $25. Just throwing that out there. That said, I just unboxed those pillowcases a couple of hours ago, and they feel amazing. I will be buying the sheet set. I mean, it's like silk. They are amazing. So if you have never tried them, this is a great way to try them. The second option in this choice is the Cozy Socks from Maggie Organics. And it says the Walking on Clouds Cozy Socks from Maggie Organics. You've probably heard of fair trade, but Maggie's Organics takes it to a whole new level. Made with organic cotton grown by family farmers in Texas and small-scale producers in Tanzania, these heathered slouchy socks fit like an honest hug for your feet. Soft yet snug with incredible elasticity, they'll comfortably fit women sizes 6 to 11. $25 retail value. Okay, so I went onto their website, and they don't have anything on their website that's called a heathered slouchy sock. I looked at all of the socks that they offer, and the closest that I can find is their rag socks, R-A-G-G. And it looks like the same sock. It looks like the exact same sock. The interesting thing is, one, they're $12 on the site, not $25. I don't know if they've done something special to these. I do not know, but I know that a sock that looks just like these on the website is $12. And number 2, on the site, they come in 2 sizes. The medium, which fits a 5.5 to a 9, and the large, which fits a 10 to a 13. And they are saying the Causebox ones fit all women sizes 6 to 11. I don't know. That's what I know, which technically is nothing. It's only things I can allude to, but that's what I could find. So I found socks that look very similar on the Maggie Organic site for $12. Like I said, there may be a big difference and we may find that out in the future. They are machine wash warm and medium dry. All right, so that is customization 2. And if you are an annual, they have implied that we will have 5 customization choices. So there are a lot more spoilers to come. If you are caught up, I will see you again really soon. And if by chance you missed the first spoilers that I put up a couple days ago, I'll go over those really quickly right now. The first set of spoilers was actually a choice between 3 products. The first choice was the Thick Gold Hoops by the Sanctuary Project. They did not give us a retail value, but I found very close to them on Target for $38. The second choice was the True Moringa Rejuvenating Body Polish, and that's a coffee scrub for your body with a $34 value. And the third choice was the Zeal Living Marble Geo Coasters. And again, they aren't on their site either, so I can't give you a price on them, but they do have a planter that's a marble planter and it's Geo for $38 on their site. I know, that's not, but just giving you an idea. Somebody asked me below in my first spoiler if these had cork on the bottom. They put out a little video yesterday about each of the products that was probably not even a minute long, but it looked, she never flipped it over, but when you looked at the coaster, it looked like on the bottom there were 4 small circles and that they were slightly elevated. So I would say there are 4 small either felt or cork feet on the bottom of the coasters. So that's what we know. Those are 2 customizations that we know and the choices within them. Thank you so much for coming by. Go back to having a fabulous Thanksgiving, and I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And take care, guys.